Welcome to the DutchWare Difference, where innovation meets craftsmanship. Here at DutchWare, every product has a story. Join us as we dive into the backstories of how our gear comes to life, from the initial concept to the final product. Get an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at our meticulous process and see firsthand the dedication that goes into making each and every piece. Discover what makes DutchWare gear so reliable and trusted by adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. So experience the difference and welcome to DutchWare.